Asia and Taiwan, Shoppe is a platform for customers to experience fast and secure online shopping. Besides that, Shoppe has a wide selection of product categories ranging from consumer electronics to home and living health, fashion, and also fitness equipment.
So the first two function requirements in Shopee are shopping cart and search bar. They will be able to view the cart and remove the unwanted items into the cart and before checking out. For the search bar, user can enter the name or anything related to the product without having to go through all the products on the website. Next, the other two functional requirement is user profile and login. For user profile, user will have access to edit their profile by exchanging user to enter the username and password. For login, it requires for user to log into the account. In case the user forgot their password, the system provides the link to reset the password we send only to user email.
For sixth functional requirement, which is categories. In Shopee website, the category section shows few categories that user can choose. This option will make it easier for user to go through the item they want by just looking through the specific category that they want. The next is the notification bar. Notification bar is located at the top of the Shopee website, and the function of this notification bar is for the website to notify the user about the item order, promotions, and any other updates.
Other than that, functional requirements that are found in Shopee is popular search and official shop. Popular search is function to show to customer which product always have been searched by the others, and official shop to show which is official shop and trustworthy, so that customer think that product is not a lie.
For the first functional requirement for our case study Shopee is an application. Nowadays, e-commerce require to have on its application to each their customer to access their e-commerce anytime and anywhere. Shopee has provided a link and a QR barcode to download the application. Second functional requirement is a chat bar. Shopee has provided an option to his customer to have a conversation between a customer and a seller.
Non-functional requirement is availability, where Shopee should be able to be accessed from all over the world, anytime, anywhere, via internet. Second non-functional requirement is security issues. Security measures should be implemented to customer and owner. All orders should be reaching to the admin without any errors.
Reliability. Reliability is the system should provide a reliable environment to both customers and owner. All orders should be reaching at the admin without any errors, so they are totally free of technical errors in reliability.
Non-functional requirement that are found in Shopee is efficiency, which show how efficient the system to take inputs and process output, and how much can be processed at a time.
The non-functional requirement for our case study Shopee is an infrastructure performance that's all in CPU, which is central processing unit, and memory users. For our case study, Shopee provide too many images which take time to load, especially for the smartphone user.
For the first user interface design principle is recoverability. Okay, recoverability is the ability to restore the deployment to the point at which failure is occurred. Shopee's interface ability to recover quickly from a system failure or disaster, not only on having current backups of data, but also on having a predefined plan for recovering data in new hardware. The Shoppe's interface should be consistent. Okay, the recoverability can be tested by using recovery tools. So there are few primary elements for which plan for fast and efficient recovery from a system failure, which is using hardware standards, creating database backups, maintaining hardware records, maintaining software records, planning hardware contingencies, and providing training and documentation. And the example of recoverability in the Shoppe's interface is the password backup system.
User interface design principle for our case study that I choose is consistency. Consistency refers to the number of way action operation are represented, ensuring the user do not have to learn new representation for each task. Further, establishing the design norm like following platform conversion allow user to complete new tasks without having to learn new toolset. Shopee prove that they make a good consistency and standard in user design interface, same as other e-commerce like search item, login, trading, search, help button, and on sale item.
The third user interface design principle is user feedback. User feedback function as platform where they can give some opinion about the particular product. The customer can review about the product that they receive from the seller. They can rate the product at the rating system that will improve user satisfaction from the feedback system. User interface design principle is feasibility. It is a common UI design principle that online sellers use to make shopping easier for the customers. These principles were applied in Shopee to attract more customers to shops for their daily needs, using Shopee without having to go to the real store. Shopee also have a list of further details of categories so that customers will just have to click on what they're interested in without having to go through all the products in Shopee.
User interface design principle that I found in the Shopee, one of these is a user guidance. User guidance is a user guide, or also known as manual, is a technical documentation document that intend to give assistance to people using a particular system. Shopee online stores provide steps on how to buy or purchase their product, from choosing type of product, design, size option, and proceed to checkout phase. In this case study, we found out this website have a help bar that meet one of the user interface design principle, which is a user guidance. In this website, they show step by step on how to purchase the product, and they answer most of the popular question that have been asked by users. This guide help the users to not making them lost and make guess what to do next.
Search Techniques API. Search API allows our customers to execute a search query and get back search hits that match the query. For example, in Shopee websites, we can search documents across all the types using the search box at the top of the website.
Shipping API. Shipping API function as a shipping method to be offered to the buyers. The ability to be hundreds of miles away and place order on the product that will arrive at your doorstep in a few days is a big plus. With a growing number of product order and automatic processing, shipping arrangement system is essentially necessary to allow online marketers to focus on their core strengths. At the Shopee website, they offer many choices of shipping companies such as Postlaju, Zigzag, and other examples. Based on their personal favorite, if they think Postlaju is not fast enough, they can change any other company based on their preference.
The third type of API that have been used in Shopee is social media integration. Nowadays, online retailers commonly use social media sites to help online shoppers to make purchases and to promote their business as it can potentially reach to a much wider audience. It will show that the product is trustworthy by having followers, likes, or shares as the proof of the support to the product. Fourth type of API is payment request, enabling web merchants to easily leverages different payment methods. The API allows the Shopee web page to exchange information with the seller while the user is providing input before approving or denying a payment method.
Type of API that I found in Shopee is a security API. Today, customer is more internet savvy. They avoid website that does not have security assurance such as encrypted domains or SSL security certificate. Nobody wants to risk having their credit card detail copy or their laptop infiltrated by malware. In Shopee, this website have an additional armor by including trust and security badges, allows users grow more confident while shopping.
Video provider on the product is one of the API that might improve Shopee. The video showing how the product works or look like in real life. From the video, it will show 360-degree views of the product or how to use it. Search product by image is also an API that might improve Shopee. Image searching feature can ease the customer to search the product much easier. Basically, this tool will enable user to add a specific image of certain products, and as a result, Shopee will display all the products that relate to the picture. So it is much convenient for user to use Shopee, as they can simply put the image that they want and all the products that relate to the picture will show up.
The first comment with clear justification on the current system in any aspect is Shopee will give the certification to the user as it contains a simple command that can make user easy to use. Besides that, the system have security, so all the important data like user data will be protected. Next, in this system, there is a FAQ, or is known as frequently asked questions, which can help user to ask based on they want to know or the questions that already been asked by previous customers. So this FAQ is really helpful, especially for the new user.
So my comment on this website, Shopee provide an external functional requirement which is the customer and seller can communicate through texting to each other privately. Moreover, text messaging makes it simple to engage with customer and allows them to contact the seller with questions about in-stock product, hour of operation, sale, discount, and more. So my comment on the current system is Shopee provides external functional requirements, which is contact us option. This will make Shopee more convenient for user to contact the company easily. User can just simply scroll the website and click the contact us option to get to know how to contact the customer service.
First, we suggest to optimize page speeds. because one of the most frustrating experience for users of the website is waiting for a web page too long. To improve the page speeds, the developer must start by compressing all images before loading them onto the website. Image file is one leading cause of slow page speed. Second suggestion that we suggest to the developer is to make segment key information with bullet points. Bullet points will enable users to quickly get all the information that they want, such as benefits, ways to solve problem, and key features of product. Short amount of time. This will make the website proposition more attractive and enable users to get all the information they need.
Measuring across all devices. Not everyone stick to a single device when buying from you. In fact, more people are moving between devices, to the web, to a mobile, to the application before turning into a paying customer. Measuring analytics across devices still in its fancy, but it is becoming more significant field in interest for those in e-commerce.